What makes a great portfolio? Is it owning the many stocks, finding the next multi-bagger, or investing every rupee you have? Not quite. A successful portfolio isn't built by owning more stocks. It's built by managing them wisely. Portfolio management is about balancing opportunity with risk. Let's look at 4 simple principles every investor should know. First, position size. Not every stock deserves the same allocation. Start small and increase your position only if the stock proves itself. Next, the number of stocks you own. Too few increases risk. Too many dilute your best ideas. A focused portfolio helps you stay in control. Then comes risk management. Losses are part of investing. The key is to keep them small and protect your capital. Finally, the win-loss proposition. You don't have to be right every time. A few strong winners can easily outweigh several small losses. Great investing isn't about owning more stocks. It's about owning the right number, managing your risk, and letting your winners work. Build your portfolio with discipline and let consistency drive your success.